Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack, and we're back here today with another challenge video. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit, so let's get on with the crafts. Let's go! Alright, here we go with DIY number 1. Alright, for this DIY we got this little caddy from the thrift store. Sorry, I had something tickling in my throat. And I'm going to use that crimson red, and I'm going to paint some of these things so that it looks fun for the summer barbecues and stuff like that, where you can put all of your barbecue sauces in it or carry out whatever you want to take out to the grill or whatever for an outdoor summer fun evening. So what I'm doing is just taking everything off here because I don't want to get any paint on it. I won't have to deal with it. And it was really easy to take apart. So then I'm going to get my paintbrush out and that crimson red and get busy. So what I am doing here is I wanted to keep some of the wood. So what I'm doing is taking that crimson red and I'm painting both ends of this. And then I'm going to paint various spots on this because, like I said, I wanted to keep the wood look, and I've got some rub-on transfers that I'm going to add to this as soon as this dries. So let's get this painted. So now after everything is all painted and dried, then I'm going to you want to make sure it's dry, because if you don't, you're going to mess up your transfer and you're going to mess up your project. So I'm going to take these rub-on transfers that I got from Amazon. They came in a pack with a whole bunch of them in it, so it was worth it to me to buy them. And I'm going to rub this on and then slowly peel this back off of this. Now this sticky stuff they have on these transfers is sticky. So anyway, we're going to put these on, and if you noticed as I'm putting these on, you will notice that I painted 2 of the rungs on each side with the crimson red. I also put back on all the hardware, and we're going to get these rub-on transfers done, add some embellishments, and we will see this at the final reveal. This was a quick and easy one, you guys. Alright, this is the Summer Entertaining Fun and Games DIY Challenge. It is hosted by Dawn over at Shabby Meets Bling, and it's also hosted by Monica at Up All Night DIY, and their links are in the description box below, along with a playlist of all the other talented creators that are participating. So go check them out because they're doing some awesome crafts, and you sure don't want to miss it. Right at this time, we'd like to thank our subscribers. We love you bunches. We really appreciate everything from the bottom of our heart that you do for our channel. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Words aren't enough to thank you for what you've done for us in this channel. And here we go with the final reveal. Alright, y'all, we're back from the craft desk, and didn't these just turn out awesome? Well, if you like this content, subscribe, like, and share, because it really helps our video out. And for all our subscribers, thank you so much for everything you do for us by subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Crafty Art Shack. We'll see you later. Bye. Hi y'all, it's Beth and Charlene, and we're here today because we are now opening a booth here at the
Avonlea Antique Mall.
Yes, and we're so excited.
Gotta come check us out.
Yeah, and we're going to show you some more pictures in just a minute of our video. All right, you guys, here we go. We're going to walk to our booth. Now, when you walk in the front door, the first row is First Street. The second row over is 2nd Street, and that's where we are located at. And we're about, I'd say, halfway down. And you'll notice it because we have that light pole or pole right in front of our booth. Anyway, this is not our stuff. this is the previous vendor stuff, and they're in the process of moving out. And so this is where we're going to be moving into, you guys, and we are so excited. Now, our booth is going to be called the Chic Shack. So, you guys, everybody who's been begging me to sell my stuff will now be able to go here at the Avalina Antique Mall and purchase it. So come check us out. Now, we will not be here in this booth until around the end of the first week or the second week of June. We will keep you updated as to when we will actually be opening our booth. And because this person's got to move out, then they got to paint it, and then we've got to move in. So you guys come check us out and stay tuned to see where our stuff's going to be and what it's going to look like and how things are set up. And we have a ton of stuff going in here that hasn't even made it to some of our videos, so you'll want to come check us out. Now, in addition to opening our booth, we finally hit our goal of 1,000 followers. Thank you guys so much. And 4,000 watch hours. We really appreciate everyone who made this happen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, y'all, if y'all go check out our community tab on our YouTube channel, you will find the channel lineup for the week there on our community tab. So if you ever want to know what's going on with our channel or new things that are happening or anything like that, go check out that community tab. That's where we're posting all of our information that is important for that moment in time. So go check us out.
So you guys, if you like this content, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give us that big thumbs up because it really helps our channel out. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Crafty Art Shack. We'll see you later. Bye.